Oh, hey. What's up? It's almost Thanksgiving, right? What are you thankful for? Don't care. You know what I'm thankful for? I'm thankful that Miss Henningsen reminded me to film the intro for today's episode. So, yeah, this is what the cat dragged in this week. Have fun.
Bro, I'm so ready for this Thanksgiving food.
Me too, but what's your least favorite?
Let's go find out. I'm here with
Logan.
What's your least favorite Thanksgiving food?
Stuffing.
Why?
Because it's too dry.
What's your least favorite Thanksgiving food?
Turkey.
Real, it's actually dry.
Stuffing. Green beans.
Ew.
Squash casserole.
Stuffing. What's your least favorite Thanksgiving food?
Cranberry sauce.
Why?
Because it sucks. Horribly.
Oh, thank you.
Just like Taylor Swift.
Why?
Because she ruined the NFL. And our music's not even good.
What's your least favorite Thanksgiving food?
Turkey.
What's your least favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably ham. I'm not a big ham guy.
Yeah, no. I guess I'll just stick to my mac and cheese.
And my dressing.
Ah!
I'm Eve Tatum.
I'm Zach Wiggins.
I'm here with
Miss Carver.
and we're going to interview our brand new drama teacher. All right, first off, why did you choose to work out at Woodland?
I actually used to go to Woodland way back in the day for my 9th and 10th grade years in high school. So I always knew when I was here that the CATS program and the theater program overall was really big and lively and important. And so I knew if a job ever opened here, I wanted to work here.
Nice.
What was your biggest inspiration on becoming a teacher?
Definitely my high school drama teacher. I actually didn't start theater until my senior year of high school, and so she was really inspirational in showing that the theater arts can be really impactful in education.
What is the hardest thing in performing in like theater and preparing for like plays and stuff?
Definitely memorization for me. Remembering everything that you're supposed to do on stage and with others is always really hard.
Seems hard.
What would you say is your favorite color?
Yellow or purple. I was a purple girl.
We don't really like purple around
I
here.
like purple.
So what inspired you to be like in theater and like the arts and all that other stuff?
Definitely my experience for my first show. Again, that was back in high school, senior year. I got involved with our musical that we did, and from then on, I knew that was the thing I wanted to do. It was just so much fun, and we all got to work together, and it was a really good time.
What is your favorite play?
Ooh, this one's hard. Probably a musical called Waitress. It's really, really good. There's a movie coming out on it soon, which is exciting.
Yes, ma'am.
You got any like favorite movies or TV shows?
My favorite movie would be Matilda. My favorite TV show, probably New Girl.
Seen Matilda, I haven't seen New Girl.
What? Crazy. If you're interested in getting involved with theater, you should definitely check out our upcoming auditions for the school-wide musical, Seussical the Musical, a Dr. Seuss-inspired musical. Audition signups are outside the chorus room near the cafeteria.
Welcome back to Things to Know with Joe. The world's biggest pyramid is not in Egypt, but Mexico. Ketchup was once used as a medicine. Cows give more milk when they listen to music. A male kangaroo is called a boomer. Mangoes have noses. Platypuses are venomous, and that's all. The Things to Know with Joe.
Wait, I don't know how to run hurdles, but today I'm getting coached by the Zachary Jamil Wiggins.
Low-key, you could probably jump from like low-key like from like right here and you can still make it over. Step over it. Like that.
I can't step straight up right.
So how do you think Lily's gonna do?
I think she's gonna faceplant.
So do you think you'd be able to train her and get her right?
She can't. No, there's no way. No.
Not at all?
No.
So how do you think you're gonna do?
I think I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna crush it. I'm gonna run this whole thing and do amazing.
Do you have a lot of faith in your coach?
Yeah, I think Zach's gonna really teach me the right technique so I don't face plant and that I can complete it. Where'd he come from? I get scared of the ones with the poles. I'm gassed. I thought I really had Zach on that one to start, but he came out of nowhere.
Honestly, I didn't even know you ran.
Oh.
I just looked back and you were there, so
Oh,
you're
okay.
so far back.
Well, I applaud all track runners except Zach Wiggins because of that, but so I don't run.
Hey. To Kiwi Porter, I am not washed. All right, because he's calling me washed.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Allie.
And we asked you what your favorite Thanksgiving food was.
Let's go see. On the very bottom of the pyramid, we have pumpkin pie.
Next on the bottom, we have stuffing.
We have sweet potato casserole.
Coming in on number 4, ham.
Near the top of the pyramid, we have mashed potatoes and gravy.
And the runner-up, mac and cheese.
All right. At the top of the pyramid, going 3 for 3, number 1 overall is rolls.
Now let's go to the kitchen.
And now we're in the kitchen.
With help.
Now that everything's done, we're gonna try it and see if we did good or not. Do you think we did good?
I think we did amazing.
Debatable. Let's do the roll first. Okay.
Whoever made that did an amazing job.
Now it's time for the homemade mac and cheese.
This is great. That's a lot of garlic powder.
No, it's too much salt. Store-bought pumpkin pie, because we didn't have faith in ourselves.
3, 2, 1. That's really good. A strong 9 out of 10. I feel like
7.58.
let's try the homemade.
I'm nervous.
This is falling apart. Like I don't even think it's done. Like I can't even pick it up.
It's raw. Like I taste the egg yolk. Like
No, you can taste the pumpkins. You can taste the melted whipped cream. You can taste everything.
Like, look, guys, take a look at this.
Who made this?
As you can see, the ladies in this film are not chefs and do not claim to be chefs. Please do not try this at home.
Hey, Natalie. Hey, Bree. Have you ever wondered what our class of 24 looked like as freshmen?
Yeah, let's go see.
I'm here with.
Zach Wiggins.
Do you have a picture from freshman year?
Yeah.
Do you think you had a glow up in that?
Nah, I think I had a glow down actually.
I do too. I'm here with Ava, Lili, and do you have a picture from freshman year?
Unfortunately, yes.
Do you think you had a glow up?
I would hope so.
I glowed down.
So I'm here with.
Heath Tatum.
And do you have a picture from freshman year?
Yes, I do.
Can you show it to us? A glow up.
Yes.
I'm here with.
Marcus.
Do you have a picture from freshman year?
Yes.
Do you think you had a glow up or glow down?
Absolute glow up.
Okay, I'm here with.
Donovan Stroop.
Can you show us a picture from your freshman year?
Yeah, of course.
Think you had a glow up or a glow down?
Yeah.
I'm here with.
Braden.
Do you have a picture from freshman year?
Sadly.
Can I see it? Do you think you had a glow up or a glow down?
Up.
Oh.
What did you think about the senior glow up?
Hey Peyton, did you know that 1 in 5 people forget to lock their car?
Yeah, and 2,000 people had their car stolen in just 2 months this year.
Now let's see who forgot to lock their car. How do I open it? What the? It's talking. It's literally talking. Stevenson listens to podcasts, guys. And why is your window cracked?
I don't know. I was driving home from the volleyball tournament, and I got home to my garage, and that crack was there. So I got to get it fixed tomorrow or Wednesday. They're coming to fix it. But
Let's see. Okay, Jordan. Okay. Oh, good job.
Okay, Miss President.
Oh, good job. I know you don't lock your car, so. Yep, I already knew it. It's locked. Okay.
On the back. Good job, Parkers.
Alright, I'm not looking in there anymore. Good job, Brooke.
Oh, good job, Lena. How do you lock this?
I'm pretty sure Dylan locks his car. Okay.
We asked for consent to open people's cars.
Hope you liked the episode. We'll see you in slightly more than 2 weeks. Bye. Pause. Slightly. Yeah.